Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of raw power and cutting-edge technology with our top picks for the 5 best electric chainsaws on the market. From towering trees to firewood and everything in between, these remarkable tools are changing the game for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll be exploring the impressive features, performance, and durability of each chainsaw, so you can make an informed decision for your next cutting project. From lightweight portability to whisper-quiet operation, these electric chainsaws pack a punch without compromising on convenience or sustainability. So, without further ado, let's rev up those chainsaws and get ready to unleash the cutting edge. Get ready for our countdown of the 5 best electric chainsaws that'll have you buzzing with excitement. Let's dive in.
Introducing the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs that need convenient and reliable high performance. The CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon. Rugged, durable, and easy to use, the CS1500 is as ready to go as you are. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and an 18-inch guide bar, you're able to tackle almost any job. With its low kickback bar and chain, the CS1500 is comfortable and easy to use. The CS1500 is the only self-sharpening corded electric chainsaw on the market. Don't worry if you touch a stone on the ground while cutting. With a simple pull of the red Power Sharp lever, you'll take your chain from dull to sharp in as little as 3 seconds. Oregon's patented Power Sharp technology means you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Perfect for cutting firewood, this low-noise saw is silent between cuts. Enjoy the solid construction of this heavy-duty chainsaw, featuring an automatic chain oiler and toolless chain tensioning system. Offering the ultimate in corded convenience, the CS1500 is built for long jobs that need uncompromised power and precision. Forget about gasoline. This saw starts instantly with no pull cords, warm-up, or gas mixing. Ergonomically designed, this 12-pound saw is well-balanced and fitted with a comfortable handle to reduce fatigue, so you can keep going as long as the job requires.
Introducing the new 40V Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw, part of the 40V Max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black & Decker. These products kick gas. You'll appreciate the convenience of the tool-free chain tension feature for quick and easy chain adjustments during the job. Simply rotate the inner dial to unlock the bar, and turn the outer dial to adjust the chain's tension for optimal cutting efficiency. This chainsaw is equipped with a premium 12-inch Oregon low kickback bar and chain running at 5 meters per second for a fast cut speed, cutting through 4x4 pine lumber on average 13% faster than Ryobi's RY 4500. The automatic oiling system eliminates priming and assures your bar and chain receive the proper lubrication. The clear window allows you to gauge the oil level. This 40V Max chainsaw offers power, runtime, and versatility, all without the weight, noise, and hassle of gas-powered equipment. At 8.3 pounds, the chainsaw is lightweight and its full wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip in cutting applications. We've put high power in a small, compact lithium-ion battery with long life. The 40-volt max 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery included with this chainsaw makes over 60 cuts in 4x4 pine lumber on average per single charge, resulting in 58% more cuts than the Ryobi RY40.
You know, I don't feel tired. You know, using other chainsaws, you get so much vibration, you tend to feel tired in the shoulders and elbows, and I don't have any of that with this. I want to cut more. I'm a little disappointed that I'm not going to have more work to do around the house. I need more trees in the yard. This has been my battery powered for years. I don't even know if that's worth going any further. That's a 15-minute job to make one 2-inch cut. Let's see the difference. Wow, my goodness. That's incredible. I just made a perfect, smooth, even cut in 12 seconds compared to me getting a ½ an inch in 20 seconds. And that cut is unbelievable too. That's unreal. I've never had a battery-powered chainsaw that could do that. Oh, wow. I've been using it for almost an hour and I still have half a battery left. The battery's compatible with my other Greenworks tools, which I'm in love with, so the fact that I can pick it up and put a battery in it from one of my other tools, I mean, that's why I like staying with one brand, because of the compatibility. And I really cannot absolutely believe that this is a battery-powered chainsaw. I've been using battery-powered for 7 years, and there's no way I would have been able to make these cuts. Awesome. Yep, I'm impressed and happy. Thank you guys for allowing me to use this.
Saw what you see with the one saw that always does double duty. Sunjoe SWJ807E convertible electric pole plus chainsaw takes the danger and difficulty out of trimming your overgrown trees and tough to reach branches. Stand safely on solid ground and simply adjust the telescoping pole to gain up to 15 feet of overhead reach. Later, when the limbs are down and there's wood to be cut, the SWJ807E quickly converts to a handheld chainsaw to make light work of loads of logs. Powered by a robust 8-amp motor, Sunjoe can handle the most stubborn tree limbs, brush and branches up to 9.5 inches thick. It features a durable 10-inch Sunjoe bar and chain with auto oiler to keep the bar and chain fully lubricated during use. Unlike gas-powered tools, SWJ807E is completely electric, so you'll power up instantly and reliably every time with the push of a button, without having to deal with smoke, fumes, fuss with spark plugs, or costly tune-ups. Switch from pole saw to chainsaw in seconds. Sunjoe's innovative quick swap system keeps you cutting when you're in the thick of things. Plus, the SWJ807E comes equipped with a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting and a protective sheath for safe blade storage when the day's work is done. And Sunjoe comes with a full 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So let gravity do the work and go with Joe. The SWJ807E 10-inch 8-amp convertible electric pole plus chainsaw from Sunjoe. Get equipped.